Hi everyone, this is Mehmet, Tropical Guy. This is an update video of coconut germination, and today we will see the latest appearance of our coconut since the first video. As you remember, in the first video we put our coconut in a fridge bag to provide heat and humid environment that the coconut needs. So now we will open it and we will see if our coconut germinated or not. Also, before starting, I would like to stress that this is a coconut tree. I germinated it 3.5 years ago, and at the end of the video I will show this coconut tree in a larger view and we will check the details as well. Now it's time to unzip the fridge bag to check our coconuts. So here it is. As you see, the coconut has 3 dots on the top of it, and it's sprouted from this side. This, you see, will be the roots that will go under, and this, you see, will be the seedling that will go up. So we will keep this coconut in this fridge bag almost 3 months because we need the actual roots and actual seedling. So this, as you know, this fridge bag provides humid environment. We need this fridge bag a bit more. In your first attempt to germinate a coconut, your coconut might covered with full of mold, and in this case you have to wash your coconuts properly not to damage these dots as well, and then put this coconut into fridge bag again. But if this mold is a persistent one, then you should change your coconut with another one, because this means that the coconut is not well for germination process and it's better to throw it out. In each 2 weeks it's better to open the fridge bag at least for 1 hour, because the coconut also needs fresh air, and you should also change the water inside the fridge bag in each 2 weeks. It will be better. Now I will put my coconut inside the fridge bag again. It's better to be careful because I do not want to damage this root. So watch out when you do this. And zip it again. That's it. I would like to also show you where do I put my coconut. As you see, there's a heater and I put it there. So the heater provides the actual heat the coconut needs, and the sunshine comes directly to coconut. As the coconut is a super tropical plant, the heat is a must. And now it's time to show my actual coconut tree. I germinated it 3.5 years ago and it really grew well, but I always keep it inside because the outside is cold for it. The summer times might be okay to put it outside, but in winter conditions you have to put it inside, otherwise your coconut will gonna die. The coconut cannot tolerate the degrees below 16, so the ones like me living in northern hemisphere in the Europe, Turkey and North America and North Asia, the coconuts cannot survive outside. I also got some questions regarding if coconuts can live in Mediterranean basin. Actually, it's not possible because in the summertime the Mediterranean is quite hot and the humidity is quite low, and in the winter time there are lots of rainfall, so the heat is also not that much. So probably in these conditions your coconut might die, but there are some good examples that's already living in south of Cyprus, but it seems quite small when you compare it to ones with in the tropical places. So it's a good one to live in home conditions, as you see. So now we will have a closer view. As you see, this coconut is really in good conditions, and the new spear is about to come. And here is the root system. As you see, the soil is covered with sand as well, and I keep it humid all the time. And it looks quite green, and it has great colors. Thank you for watching this video. I will record an update video in near future also. And please write your comments below to this video and ask your questions to me directly. And please follow my channel and watch my other videos as well. Thank you.